Hello, guys. Big news. A huge global exchange is finally coming to the United States. That's right, it's not Binance. So, some of you were hoping about that. It's the second biggest exchange in the world, OKX. They settled in February for $500 million with the DOJ. Now, that might sound like a lot, but for these crypto exchanges, these massive global crypto exchanges, they're collecting hundreds of millions of dollars in fees each day. That's like peasant money. They're like, so little money that we just have to access the US market. And I think this will be a boon for US crypto investors. Crypto exchange OKX said it's launching exchange and wallet product in the US and setting up its regional headquarters in San Jose. Now, crypto exchange OKX, their headquarters are in the Seychelles Islands. Obviously, that's a tax haven, but they've actually wanted to access the US market for a long time. And of course, some of the regulatory stuff, and of course, their lawsuit with the DOJ has finally ended. And with a $500 million settlement, they can actually service US customers. So, Seychelles-based cryptocurrency exchange OKX announced today that it will launch a centralized crypto trading platform and its OKX wallet in the U.S. market. Now, they're also being sued right now, along with Phantom, for that little breach about 2 days ago. But that's otherwise. With the expansion, OKX established its regional headquarters in San Jose, California, and named Roshan Robert, who previously worked at Morgan Stanley and Barclays, its U.S. CEO. U.S. customers now have access to our high-performance platform, and we'll be rolling out new features throughout the year as part of our vision to build a crypto super app. Now, if you are one of those few that are actually using VPNs to use OKX, the US version of OKX probably won't have all the features, as regulatory requirements in the US are significantly more stringent than, like the Seychelles Islands or other less regulated countries. This is good momentum for the United States. It won't turn around prices, but it gives people more options that are interested in investing in crypto. So this obviously is really good because they just did actually reach a settlement with the DOJ about 2 months ago. And despite $500 million, they can get their licenses and actually expand into the U.S. Despite having placed a policy preventing U.S. citizens from joining the platform, the DOJ claimed that OKX pursued U.S. customers. This is with the lawsuit, with one employee allegedly instructing them to provide false information to bypass restrictions. But obviously, the $500 million gets rid of all that. The company agreed to pay over $500 million, including $84 million in penalties and approximately $421 million in forfeited fees earned from U.S. customers. OKX said the U.S. customers involved are no longer on the platform and there were no allegations of customer harm. But of course, this is almost as good as Binance actually coming back. And I do expect the OKX that's coming back to have most of the features of global, but not all the features. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.